good day.
Okay, it's recorded now.
Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be playing Skylanders.
You gotta talk a little louder.
Hey Dad, can you play balls when you get back from work?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, get up. I might have to reset.
He's gonna get his favorite glove.
Dad, how you got so many snaps? Dad, you got more snaps than me?
No. Don't know.
Oh no, you don't. What's that, Lenny?
What glove are you using, Zagan?
Hybrid. It has four capabilities. Strength.
I know.
Okay, so gravity, speed, and coil. Okay, come in with them. Bye bye, Daddy.
No.
Why did you do that, Dad? That's chaos.
That was a zombie.
One of the new gloves that came out like 3 days ago. Tried the new seal. Whoa! Is it happening again?
What's that?
I got sucked in. I'm gonna get default now. After I'm gonna get a code like default but it's longer. No, not far away.
No. Damn, what happened to my glove? Hey.
It's called Disarm. It allows you to take away people's gloves whenever you swap them. Don't install it, please. I'm gonna get you, Dad. I'm gonna get you, Daddy. I'm gonna get you. Oh my no, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
What is that?
Rob? Get away from it, Dad. Oh, maybe Rob don't like each other. It's so funny. It's before the next screen. I just touched it.
Hey, he turned into stone.
What?
There's a stone glove?
What stone glove?
What glove is that?
Yeah, I know. I know, that's too strong. Too strong glove. It's got too strong. I can don't touch me. I got do not touch me. Don't touch me. Hey, why are you so small? Because it needs to be eaten by 108 players.
Hey, what is this glove?
Custom. I'm hoping not using that glove. I'm gonna get custom. Oh my gosh! What? That's the big mega rock! Yeah!
Bye.
These comparisons are just crazy. My desktop's the angel cat. I touched the angel cat. The angel cat's finally got her. The angel cat.
What got him?
Guess what?
Alright.
They touched the car. No one beat me. One thing. I do totally not got custom tab. I don't got custom. It's the walk glove. Okay? Then go backwards again. I do see you finally here. And don't touch this. Do not touch this. Do not. Why did you just touch my stone?
You can't be saying what?
Nothing.
Oh, bye. Come here.
Dad,
Yeah.
can you say killerfish in chat?
Yeah. Killer fish?
Yeah.
What is that?
You'll see. Okay, Dad?
Okay.
It's kind of in this. Hey!
Well, no. You're trying to push me off the side.
It did not even. Wait. Daddy,
Dad, don't say killerfish in chat, okay?
Okay.
Type it in chat. Say again.
I already did.
Okay, why did you type
Can you
it?
please say it, Dad?
Do not touch this. You're only going to die in bone. Come on, let's get up. No. Don't come up these ladders, dude. Do not come up these ladders, dude. I just. Oh.
Oh, you gotta buy this one?
Yeah, you have to buy the killerfish.
I don't have Robux. What does it do?
It's like fish, but you can flop with it and it has no cooldown. Well, kind of a short one.
How do I get out of here?
Reset?
I'm in this. Reset. Then can you go to fish swap and type in killerfish? I want to see what the fish is. What's this? I want to see what fish is.
Someone has God's hand.
I got it.
You're going swimming?
Yeah.
I see what it looks. Okay. I just wanted to see how much Robux it is worth. It's just 99 Robux. Come on,
Are
see.
you just gonna seriously stand there for the rest of the video?
No. One of them. That's one long thing. It's getting so dark. It's just getting so dark.
Hey! You tricked me.
Well, there's many for some slap battles. Also, did you pay attention to your notification that you got? You unlocked Skakuchi? I think that's how you say it. There we go. There. Blah, blah, blah.
Get away there. Get away.
Dad, do you know what?
I want to run away from people.
What glove is that?
What?
What glove is that?
Dad?
Not Michael.
Yeah?
Dad?
Yeah?
It's overkill.
Dad?
Yeah?
Do you know what the admin version of Bubble is?
No?
It's what?
No?
It's called Google. It's the same thing as Bubble but has no cooldown.
Oh, wow. Do you have that one?
No, it's an admin
It's
glove.
giving me the start of the moon.
How do you get that one?
Give me the start of
It's
the
impossible.
moon.
Only admins could get it. Hey, yeah! Oh, no.
What is that glove with the circle on the ground?
Come to the island! Do you have 10 kills? No! Pepper, you need 10 kills to get this. Hold on. I might be able to do it.
Sagan, I think I can do something about that, Sagan. Can I just use the second glove to get through that, Sagan?
Come here.
What glove is that he has, Sagan?
What? Yes, please. Oh, yes! Finally!
What glove was that?
I got Hollow Jack.
What glove was that?
Halloween nothing.
What is Hello Jack?
You'll see. Say hello to my pumpkin.
Sagan, I can oof
Say
you.
hello to Hollow Jack. Oh my gosh.
How'd you get that glove?
First you need to get 10 kills, then click the grave near the tree.
10 kills with the kill streak?
Yeah. But, yeah, anyway. Say hello to my pumpkin!
But I kept it. I didn't know.
What?
Then,
Yeah?
can you find that stickman for fun?
Well, that is about to leave after this.
No!
What is that?
I'm getting pushed! That's it, hello to my jack-o'-lantern! Oh. And like, oop.
What glove is that? Where he turns into a ghost.
Rob.
Then, do you know what the dark glove does then?
No?
You will see that something comes out of the sky, okay, Stan? Say
Oh,
hi to those.
what was that?
That's not an accident. They just fall out of the sky.
Those are meteors. No.
And you get hit by them then?
Yeah.
Mine got hit by one.
The sun. Hey.
What then?
Sagan don't want to fly off. Hey, what are you doing? How are you not flying off? Hi, Kepler.
What? Ow! Come here.
Alright, we got 30 more seconds.
30 more seconds till what?
So we end this one. We're gonna end it on 15 minutes. How do you get robbed?
There's a giant boss guy.
That's Rob that's chasing you?
Yeah. Hey, run, run!
Hey.
Ooh, this feels good. You don't know what they're seeing.
Hey, somebody hit me with the jack-o'-lantern.
That was me.
Can you touch the tree?
Did I get you again?
Yeah.
Nope. Nope.
Bye.
Jack-o'-lantern.
Bye, son.
Oh no. I take it back.
Hey.
Yay! You cannot defuse Puzzle Jack. I'm not very good. I'm cornered, I'm cornered, I'm Can you want to fight me then?
Hey, somebody blocked the road.
And I'll get me with you.
Oh no.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Who is here behind me? Back to the top of my pumpkin! Megan, it almost got me. My dodged it. I dodged it. Have you got hit by it yet? No. You don't know what happens? It just turns green. No.
Hey, that's One Punch Man?
More like counter glove. Oh my gosh! I hate these tables, man. Oh my gosh, the floor! What? You just said it. Then what? Come here, say again. No, oh my god! Bye-bye. I hate you with my table. Not this time! I can still hit you, What happened?
Somebody hit me off with a tree.
Are you? Okay. So you don't get your bomb. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it! Yes, I got them! If you're lost, no, main combos! Combos! I'm messing around with 1 second. What?
Hey, let's meet in the lobby so we can say bye after we get a... Oh no.
Dad, you need Momo Snap and you can get your next glove.
Let me go get one more slap. Slap God's hand.
Then you got your next glove there. You did too many gloves there. You got so much gloves. And I got more than that. Dad, why did you just get hit by Garfield? I saw you get hit by it. Garfield Snappy and my device.
You want to say bye?
Goodbye.
You want to say bye, Kepler?
Just say it. Don't be shy.
Bye. How you dance?
Watch E-dance. Then how did you get up there?